What is the pH of pure water? Right answer C7. How many bones are in adult human body? Right answer B206. Which device is used to measure pressure? Right answer D. Barometer. Which of the following is the renewable source of energy? Right answer C. Solar energy. Which part of the human brain controls breathing? Right answer C. Medulla. Which vitamin is found in citrus fruits? Right answer C. Vitamin C. Which element is needed for the formation of red blood cells? Right answer B. Iron. Which of the following is a vertebrate? Right answer C. Frog. What is the unit of electric current? Right answer B. Ampere. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Right answer C. Venus. Now, it's time to answer the question yourself and write the answer in comment section. Question: which of the following has the highest energy per photon?